Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
We are very good. Fine, sir.
Okay. Today we are discuss about your pre-final exam.
Yes, sir.
Can you get the mark sheet? Can you receive the mark sheet? Can you receive the mark sheet?
Yeah, again?
Did you get the mark sheet or not?
Yes, I did on my email.
Okay. How much you get?
It was 58
58.
out of 100.
And Matthias?
So I don't know. I don't know whether I did or it's not good.
Or
But
so
just get it.
Matthias is not come today.
Just get it. Maybe it's coming a bit later.
Okay, so we will discuss your paper today, where you are faulty and where you will lose your marks. I will discuss it. After that, if any queries present in your mind, please ask me, because the next day, I mean Monday, is your exam, final exam, and we will discuss the final mark sheet result with you in next Wednesday. So
No, say, I did not hear you well. You are saying sir.
next Monday is your
I did not
final
hear you well.
exam.
You are saying Monday. Next Monday.
Next Monday, I mean that is 11th Feb. No, not 11th Feb. 10th, 11th, 12th Feb. 12th February, your final exam.
But sir,
And you will get the
I only have one concern.
yes. Please tell.
I have only one concern.
Yes, please tell.
The management they're supposed to tell us before that you are writing your final examination on the 12th so that we can prepare. So now we just tell us that, because last time you told us that we'll be writing our examination in 2 weeks to come. So now you are saying we are writing on Monday. How is that?
Actually, it's decided by management. I am not the decider person. As per they say to
Yes,
me that
even though
they told to me that the final exam will be held on 12th Feb Monday, so that I will just forward to you message. Hello?
yeah, I understand, but even though the management is supposed to inform us before that, on the 12th you guys are writing examination. No, they just decided of the what? So shortly, because it does not work that way. You must tell the the people before so that they can be prepared.
Okay, I will told this matter with the management team that the student said this, what you are actually want to say. I will decided and I will forwarded it to management. If they want to change, they want to change, but I can't change it. I am forwarded your message to management decision. After that, if anything changes will be happen, then you will get the notice via Facebook Workplace.
Yes, sir.
So now we discuss your answer paper, that the multiple choice question is fully right, that you got 10 marks out of 10.
Yes.
Okay. And in describe the full form, you will get 18 marks out of 20 because you did not write one answer, that is PGA.
Yes, sir.
It's pin grid array. Which type of IC used
Yes, sir.
before ball grid array? That is PGA, pin grid array.
Yes, sir.
The rest of the question is okay, so that you will get 18 marks.
Yes.
After the describe full form, in short question, the what is the full form of IMEI? It's International Mobile Equipment Identity is okay. Then what is the work of a vibrator? You write that vibrator to notify that call and message are in. But where it's required, I mean in louder place, in that type of place, but you will write it, you will get 2 marks out of 3.
Yes, sir.
Next, in third, what is the full form of age? Enhanced data rate for global evolution, but you write enhanced data rate evolution global. The opposite, global evolution or evolution global, you just write opposite.
Yes, sir.
So you will lose the mark in third one. After that, in number 4, what is the full form of WLAN? That is wide local area network is good, and you will get full marks. See.
Yes.
Next, what is the work of sub-PCBA? You write that sub-PCBA, it support mechanically, electrically and conductive. What is this? I just want to know what is the work of sub-PCBA. They contain mainly charging connector, vibrator and connect to it into main PCB via FPC cable. It's the work of a sub PCB. It's hold the charging connector, mic, vibrator, and it's connect to main PCB via FPC. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Next, in number 7, what is the full form of what is the full form of MMC? Multimedia card. It's okay. In number 7, what is the full form of FPC? You did not write. That's why you lose the mark. In number 8, what is the full form of PDA? That is Personal Digital Assistance. Next, that is what is the work of a ringer? Ringer, it help us to get in music, calls, etc. Yes, it's true. So you will get 3 marks. After that, what is the full form of OTASL? That is over the air software loading, not service. Over the air software loading, but you write over the air software loading service. It's wrong. So you lose the mark. Next, answer the following question. Describe all the operating system used in smartphone. That is Android, Apple, Windows, BlackBerry, Bada, Symbian, Migo. Yes. All are true and you will get 5 marks. Next. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello student, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, describe all types of mobile network connection. It's Wi-Fi, wireless. Wireless is used for connect the internet. Okay. Bluetooth is used for exchanging data from short distance. Okay. Another is interface. Infrared. Hotspot used to find location internet. It's not. GPRS, GPS, all those things are mobile network connection. So in that point you will get 2 marks. Next, we will say that state the various type of measurement done by a multimeter. Multimeter for checking current, ohm, and last one I did not understand what you write. Current, ohm, volt, but I don't think that is volt. So it's ohm current is good, but you just require to write in just briefly, but you just write the 2 names. That's why you get 1 marks.
Yes, sir.
Next, describe few mobile application. You just write only 3 application: camera recorder, audio recorder, video recorder. But lots of application are present. Lots of application like PayPal, gaming, email, variety type of application are present. But you write only 3 points. That's why you will get 2 marks. Next, describe the type of problem faced in cell phone. That is black display, not blank display. BLANCK, blank display. Ringer, mic, keypad, speaker. Hard set. What is the hard set? Jonas, what is the hard set? Hello Jonas, can you hear me? Hello Jonas, can you hear me? Hello student, can you hear me? Hello student, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, describe the tool used for software installation. It's desktop, laptop, okay. USB data cable, also okay. Latest version connectivity. What is this, Jonas? Latest version connectivity.
Don't know, sir.
So you write latest version connectivity. We all know that WLAN. But what is the LWAN? I mean L hyphen WAN. What is this? Next, SD card. SD card is okay, but it's MMC card. You not write the flash file, flash tool, flash cable, latest driver, flashing flash box. You did not write all those points, so you will just get only 1 mark. And in how to flash a smartphone, describe it. You did not write it, okay. We will give either or. That if you will write the flashing process, then it's okay. And if you describe the PCBA in details, that is also okay. But PCBA support electrical and electronics component, trackpad, and non-conductive laminated. What is this? Hello student, can you hear me? Hello student, can you hear me? Hello Johannes, can you hear me?
Let me go get my notes here.
Okay, then you write that switch off the phone. Okay. Connect phone with PC. Okay. Press volume key and home key at same time. It's the process of flashing, but you write it in PCBA option. So it is not right there. It's not required to write there. So you will see the PPT of both session. I requested to you that please see the both session. Yes?
Can you hear?
Yes, I hear you.
Yes, I'm saying the definition which you give us is saying electrical support and electricals
Yes,
connect
electrical and electronics components
electronic conductive tracks, ports,
and non-conductive laminated.
Other features in touch from one or more sheet layers. Yes.
But it's a not definition of PCBA. PCBA, why it's called PCBA? At first you just required to write that there are many more PCB, that is printed circuit board, present in one single PCBA, that is printed circuit board assembly. Each and every printed circuit board or PCBA contains variety type of electrical and electronics components like diodes, resistor, transistor, capacitor, etc. And all are connected via track into the PCBA, and all PCBA are non-conductive. They are passing the current signal, input, output, all those things. When we have discussed about PCBA, I will discuss same thing. After that, you will write switch off the phone, connect phone with PC, press volume key, home key at same time. This all are the process how you flash the cell phone. All are the process, but you write it in PCBA, so you did not get the any marks in wrong question. After that, you will get the full marks out of 100. You will get only 58. Hello student, can you hear me? Hello Johannes, can you hear me?
Hey, we can't hear you.
Now, so student, can you hear me?
Yes, now we can hear you.
So I believe that you will know where you are done mistake and you will do the proper preparation of final exam which is held on next Monday. Johannes,
Yes, sir.
please inform Matthias also that the exam will held on next Monday. Okay.
He's here.
Oh, oh Matthias, you present here.
Yes, sir.
Why you come late? Because every day you come in late.
No, our son was.
So did you? I believe that you know that how many marks you will get in your exam?
Yes, sir.
You will get 42 marks out of 100. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In multiple choice question, you just mistake in number 5, that is what is the measurement range of ringer. It's 8 to 10 ohm, but you write 10 to 12 ohm. And another is 7, what is the second most popular operating system in smartphone? That is Apple, but you write it in Buddha. So you will lose 2 marks in multiple choice question. In second, the describe the full form, you will get 18 marks out of 20 because you did not write one question, that is PGA or pin grid array. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, in short question, what is the full form of IMEI? That is International Mobile Equipment Identity. What is the full form of IMEI? That is International Mobile Equipment Identity. Is okay. You will get 3 marks. After that, what is the work of vibrator? Johannes, you just listen that the vibrator is for notification when we are receiving a call, message, or it's the one that notify when we are switching the mobile phone. Because when we are switching the mobile phone, we are know it that the phone are vibrate, so that you will get full marks here. After that, what is the full form of H? That is NH, Data Global Equipment. but you write it NH division global equipment, but it is NH data rate for global evolution. You did not get the marks. Next, in number 4, what is the full form of WLAN? You did not write it, so you did not get the marks. Sub PCBA, it is one of that having printed circuit board which passes or transfers signal in the printed circuit board covered motherboard of phone IC. What is this? Can you explain it? Actually, what you want to say?
I'm not to say.
Now, what was
I cannot explain it.
Okay. So you will write wrong, and that's why you will not get the mark. After that, state the full form of MMC? That is multimedia card. You did not write it. What is the full form of FPC? Flex printed circuit. You did not write it. Then what is the stand for PDA? Is personal digital assistant. You write the assistant's spelling is wrong. You did not get the mark. What is the work of a ringer? It used for sound a mobile. In other words, is where sound is produced. What is this? Can you explain me?
No, I can't explain it.
was shivering, sir?
But to get you 1 mark.
I just did not prepare anymore.
Next, what is the full form of OTSL? You did not write it. Okay. Then I will tell that describe all the operating system used in smartphone. It's Android, Apple, Bada, BlackBerry, Windows is okay. But ice cream sandwich, honeycomb, Kit Kat, ginger bean, lollipop, marshmallow, donut, eclair, nougat. This is the version of Android.
No, see, I was wrong. I only supposed to write the first one. That one I supposed not to put.
You just required to retain the name Android, Apple, Bada, Migo, BlackBerry, Windows, all those things. So you will get 3 marks. Then I will tell you that describe all types of mobile network connection. GSM, GPRS, GPS. It's used to connect the network. WLAN. It's not. It's Bluetooth, infrared, Wi-Fi. Did you got my point? Did you got my point, Johannes? Matthias? Hello, Matthias, did you got my point? Hello, Matthias, can you hear me? Hello, student, can you hear me? That what is the work of state the variety type of measurement done by a multimeter? You just write one that voltage, measure the voltage of battery. It's not. Okay. You just require to read this volt, ohm, millimeter, all those things. You just see the multimeter chapter. Okay. Next, we will see that describe few mobile applications. You just write the Android version name: donut, ice cream, KitKat, gingerbread, honeycomb, lollipop, marshmallow, nougat. All those things, but it's not. It's video camera, audio recorder, FM, I mean radio, TV, image viewer, listen music, see video, all those things. Next, describe the type of problem faced in cell phone: software problem, battery problem, ringer problem, keypad touch problem, screen problem. Okay, it's good, but you get 3 marks.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Matthias, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you very clear.
Okay. Next, describe the tools used for software installation. You need software file and network with volume, power, key. It's a process. I will just telling you the requirement. Which I mean software file, then computer, laptop, all those things. Flash file, flash tool. Flash file, flash tool, USB cable, all those things are required. Next, in long question, how to flash a smartphone. You need laptop, desktop, okay. USB flashing cable, okay. Flash box, and if the flashing is successful, the yellow color will appear. It's good. It's a flashing process, but you just require to deeply that when we have discussed about software part, how to software a handset or how to flash a handset, you will just see this video and PPT, you will know the better. And in long question, I am telling you that if you want to write 1, or if you want to write 2, any one, 1 or 2. So see the question paper in your home, and one thing I am just telling you only for you that the one question is the next question. So
Alright. Okay.
see the question paper which you are capable to complete written on question any question paper or PCB. I believe that question process is more easier, right?
Alright.
Hello?
Hello.
Question process is more easier, right?
Okay, sir.
So this is the end of today's class, and see you in next Sunday. Please use your speaker phone. I will tell you something. In your phone speaker, please hand over the phone to Johannes. I will tell him. Hand over the phone to Johannes.
Okay, sir. Alright.
Johannes? Hello, Johannes.
Yes, sir.
Please use your speaker. Use your phone speaker. Just speaker on in your cell phone.
No, that's not work, sir.
Okay. Where is Matthias?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, Johannes and Matthias, both of you
Yes, sir.
are telling that next Monday is your final exam. So, be prepared for that. And if any doubt, you can directly WhatsApp me. I will help you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the end of today's class. Bye bye, students.
Yes, sir.
See you in next class.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.